video of you and the cops and all that.
Up on Echo Summit here pretty quick.
You think so? And
Yes,
then what happens?
Well, then we'll be going downhill, and then I'm kind of hoping that that one plow that we just saw pass going in the opposite direction.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that maybe we'll you know, meet up with one of those guys going in our direction.
Okay, Bird.
Possibly you know, clean the road up for our advantage, not the opposite lane advantage.
Okay, Bird.
So right now, just staying steady, 15 miles an hour.
15 miles an hour, he says, yeah.
And first gear.
And first gear.
No sudden movements, no sudden acceleration.
And we still got the old cops behind us.
Sudden turning.
We got the cops behind us.
Of course, he's going over the summit as well. He doesn't want to pass me because, you know, he's kind of like, he's shadowing me to make sure I'll be okay.
You think so?
Yes, absolutely.
He likes you, huh, Jay? Is that what you're saying?
He's looking out for us.
Okay, well, folks, this is your reporter, Dean Caleb Pedler, reporting to you from the summit, Echo Summit. We're in a fairly severe sort of blizzard, snow shower, whatever, and of course when one goes with J. Paul Shagnon, the Bird, one can expect an adventure.
We definitely got an adventure.
And here we are, sort of experiencing another new adventure with J. Paul, the Bird Shagnon. And this is conditions at the moment.